Everything was going great for Johnny. He recently got a great job and purchased a new car. One afternoon on his way to the gym, he was rear-ended by a girl who was texting and driving. It was a huge crash, and the police and the paramedics arrived, taking Johnny to the emergency room. His life had taken an unexpected turn. Johnny was diagnosed with having a concussion and a severe back injury. He was in the hospital for a few days recovering from his injuries and missed a couple weeks of work. Once home, things just weren't back to normal. Johnny now had to deal with getting his car fixed and handling his medical bills. Not only that, he was still suffering from his injuries and didn't know what to do. Johnny realized he couldn't handle this alone. His neighbor had told him about the experienced personal injury attorneys at the law offices of Edwin E. Akhavan and told him they are the best personal injury attorneys and they handle serious injury cases throughout California. Johnny went on their website and learned that the law offices of Edwin E. Akhavan gives free consultations on their toll-free hotline and that they have a no-recovery, no-fee policy on all personal injury cases, meaning that Johnny wouldn't have to pay a dime out of his pocket until there was a settlement. Johnny picked up the phone and personally talked to Edwin Akhavan about his case and ultimately allowed him to handle his case. In no time, Johnny's car was repaired and he was referred to the best medical specialist for treatment for his injuries. After a couple of months of treatment, Johnny was feeling much better and was back at the gym. Soon after that, the attorneys at the law offices of Edwin E. Akhavan obtained Johnny a settlement from the girl's insurance company for his injuries and lost wages. Looking back, Johnny was happy that he had Edwin's team behind him and didn't have to go through this alone. If you have been in a car accident and injured, you don't have to go through it alone either. Contact the experienced personal injury attorneys at the law offices of Edwin E. Akhavan by calling toll-free 1-888-590-4LAW. That's toll-free 1-888-590-4529 for your free consultation, just like Johnny did.